Hey YouTube fans, it's me, David, and I'm going to show you amazing sound effects. My first sound effect, it's a motorcycle. First sound effect. My second one is a horse trotting. Alright? This takes real skill. Okay. Okay. That took serious skill. Trust me, it looked like I was smiling because my muscles in my mouth, they had to get real tense. Okay, my third sound effect. Brotherly love. 1 second. Andrew, come over here for a sec.
Oh. Hello, brother. What do you want?
He's a bit of a nerd. What? Andrew. Andrew, be a man. Brothers.